How many times can one man be rejected before he gives up? Once, twice, 5 times? How about 30 times? Meet Jack Ma. As a student, he failed his math tests, not once, but twice. Tried to get into Harvard, rejected. 10 times. Applied for 30 jobs, got rejected from all of them. Even KFC said, no thanks. KFC hired 24 people. Jack was the only one rejected. Pause for comic timing. Like, how bad can your interview be if even fried chicken says no? But Jack didn't cry, he didn't quit. He said every rejection is just one step closer to yes. In a tiny room with friends, he started a website. People laughed. China doesn't need e-commerce, they said. But Jack said, one day, everyone will be buying everything online. Alibaba struggled. No money, no connections, no tech background, but Jack had one superpower: unstoppable belief. Today, Alibaba is one of the biggest companies in the world. Jack Ma is one of the richest, most admired entrepreneurs on the planet. Oh, and he dances at business events like a rock star. From jobless to billionaire to motivational kung fu master, Jack proved that being a little weird, a little different, and a lot persistent works. So next time you get rejected, don't cry, don't quit, smile like Jack, and keep going. Because sometimes the world says no before it claps for your yes. Rejected by KFC, built a $500 billion company, what's your excuse? Like, laugh, never give up,